Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa. I am a content creator and I also make my own skincare formulas. Today is the second day that I finished installing this beautiful background. I use these acoustic sound plastic panels. I placed 2 orders, that is 24 panels, and it was easy to install them. All I used was the 3M double-sided tape and scissors to cut pieces to place it on back of each acoustic panel, and also I use this utility knife to use the teeth to remove the backing on each of the acoustic panel.